everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how I can find saved posts and reels on Instagram. So the first, open your Instagram app, then you have to log in first. After that, you can click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then you can click three lines on the top right corner. After that, you can click save with the bookmark icon. Then click all posts. This is a page that you can find your saved posts and reels on Instagram. You can click on it. Then you can click on the bookmark icon if you want to delete it on your saved posts and reels folder. If you click back, your saved post has been deleted. So this is how I can find saved posts and reels on Instagram. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.